In this video, I'm going to show you how to put Korean letters on Roblox display name. To get started, go ahead and open roblox.com on your browser and sign in into your Roblox account. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this gear icon. So go ahead and click on that gear icon and click on settings to be able to head over to the settings page. Now on the settings page, go ahead and head over to account info. Hover your mouse on the pencil beside display name and click on this pencil beside display name. Now go ahead and open a new page on your browser and search for Google Translate. In here, go ahead and select English as the original language and set the translated language into Korean. Now, after you set this into Korean, go ahead and enter your English text under the English text, and this will be translated into its Korean version. Now go ahead and click on that copy button for that translated text and head back to your Roblox account. Now in here, go ahead and paste that text and click on that save button to save that as your display name. And that is how you can simply put Korean letters as your display name. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.